We went to Big Spring Park, where there are many trees and plants which can represent the chloroplasts of a cell. Chloroplasts are organelles in plant cells that use photosynthesis to get energy from the sun. This tree is like a chloroplast because it uses photosynthesis to grow and stay healthy.
The main function of the mitochondria is to provide energy to the cell. They do this by transferring energy from organic compounds to ATP. This electrical substation represents the mitochondria because it provides the city with electricity to keep it running.
Centrioles are short cylinders that help organize spindle fibers and direct the organization of microtubules in cilia and flagella. Centrioles are like policemen in a city because they keep the streets organized and everything else under control. The nucleus is the core of the cell. The nucleus also controls the cell's DNA and controls all of the functions that are carried out in a cell. The courthouse is similar to the nucleus because it holds important information about the city and keeps the city in order.
The vacuole is filled with water and other molecules. It stores waste and nutrients for the cell. The vacuole also helps maintain the structure of the cell by providing pressure. A water tower relates to the vacuole because it holds water for the city. The water tower also uses built-up pressure to send the water around the city.
The main function of the Golgi apparatus is to package molecules such as fats and proteins. These proteins can also be changed by enzymes. These materials can be either stored in the Golgi apparatus or released to different parts of the cell. The post office is similar to this because it stores and transports mail throughout the city.
The smooth endoplasmic reticulum is a membrane network with the cytoplasm of cells involved in the synthesis, modification, and transport of cellular materials. It is classified as smooth due to a lack of ribosomes. This can relate to the parkway because the parkway transports people and their cars all over the city.
The rough endoplasmic reticulum is the second part of the membrane system that transports materials around the cell. This section of the ER is called rough because it is studded with ribosomes. This relates to the interstate because it transports people efficiently outside the city.
The cytoskeleton provides support and protection for the contents of the cell. It also keeps the nucleus in place and helps organelles to move around. The mountains are similar in that they shape the city and protect it from harsh weather conditions.
The lysosomes play an important role in cells by digesting waste within the cell, such as worn-out organelles, bacteria, and food. Lysosomes contain digestive enzymes that help break down food and other waste. The trash compactor is similar to the lysosomes in that they both break down waste and other trash.
The nucleolus is a small organelle inside of the nucleus. It contains proteins and RNA. The nucleolus is the site of ribosomal RNA synthesis and for the creation of ribosomal subunits. A copy machine is similar to the nucleolus because it makes copies of important information.
The cell membrane is a semipermeable membrane that surrounds the cytoplasm of the cell. Things can transport through the membrane by diffusion, facilitated transport, or active transport. The city limits are similar because they define the border of the city and let things in and out.